Hi, this is Sean Matthew from Mainframe Hard Tutorials. In our previous video, we completed our HTML basics course. So, in this video, we will wrap up the course. So, let's get into the slides. So, the course was nearly 2 hours long and had 13 videos in it. So we have covered many concepts, but we need to cover many concepts such as CSS, JavaScript, libraries and frameworks. We will cover them in our upcoming tutorials. So you need two softwares to write HTML code, and one of them is Notepad or any other editor. So the second thing is not compulsory if you are using Notepad, Notepad++ or Sublime Text 3. But if you are using Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio 2019 or any Visual Studio, and you are using that in Windows 7 or below, then you must install .NET Framework 7.4.7.2. I have .NET Framework 4.7.2. I will give you the download link in the description. So my upcoming tutorials are CSS tutorial, JavaScript tutorial, Bootstrap tutorial and AngularJS tutorial. I will do these tutorials. So I said about a project. You can access it in the description below about the employee management project. It's a zip file. At first you should extract it using Windows default or WinRAR, or you can also use 7-zip to extract it, and then it has two folders in it, and that are pages and www.root. The pages contain the pages such as index.html for the project. www.root contains CSS files, and it contains CSS files, images and some more files. So if there are any concepts that I don't covered, I will cover that when we use it. So our next tutorial is CSS tutorial, and we are wrapping this course now. So thank you for listening. Hoping you a great day.